Hello and welcome back to the third part of question answers of 8th Standard Geography, lesson number 1, local time and standard time. Let's begin. Answer in brief. If it is 12 noon at 60 degree east longitude, then explain what would be the time at 30 degree west longitude. Answer. To know the time at 30 degree west, we have to find the difference between 60 degree east and 30 degree west longitude. When we combine difference between 0 degree and 60 degree east and 30 degree west, we get 90 degree. In the bracket, 0 degree to 60 degree east is 60 degree plus 0 degree to 30 degree west is 30 degree is equal to 90 degree. Close the bracket. Difference in local time is equal to 90 degree multiplied by 4 minutes is equal to 360 minutes, which gives 360 minutes divided by 60 minutes is equal to 6 hours. Eastern longitudes are always ahead of 0 degree longitudes and western longitudes are always behind 0 degree longitudes. Hence, if it is 12 noon at 60 degree east longitude, then the time at 30 degree west longitude will be 6 a.m. Next, how is the standard time of a place determined? Answer. The local time of the longitude passing through the middle of the country is fixed as its local time. If the difference between the local time and the extreme east and west is less than 1 or 2 hours, then only one standard time is considered for the country. But if the difference between the local time at the extreme east and west is more than 1 or 2 hours, then more than one standard time is considered for the country. Next, a football match is being played at Sao Paulo, Brazil, started in India at 6 a.m. IST. Explain what will be the local time at Sao Paulo. Answer. The longitude lying to the west is always decreasing by 4 minutes at every longitude. Here, the difference between Sao Paulo and India is 127 degree 30 minutes. Therefore, difference in local time is equal to 127 degree 30 minutes multiplied by 4 minutes is equal to 510 minutes, which gives 510 divided by 60 minutes is equal to 8 hours and 30 minutes. Hence, a football match being played at Sao Paulo, Brazil, started in India at 6 a.m. Then, the local time at Sao Paulo will be 9:30 p.m. of previous day. Next, a Mashhad, a town in Iran, is located on the 60 degree east longitude. When it is 12 noon at Greenwich, calculate the local time of Mashhad town. Answer. As we move towards the east of the prime meridian, the local time decreases by 4 minutes of every longitude. The difference between the longitude of Greenwich and Mashhad is equal to 60 degree. Difference in local time. 60 degree multiplied by 4 minutes is equal to 240 minutes. 240 minutes divided by 60 minutes. In the bracket, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Close the bracket. Is equal to 4 hours. Therefore, when it is 12 noon at Greenwich, the time at Mashat would be 4 p.m. 4 hours ahead the Greenwich Mean Time. Next, Manaus city in Brazil is located on 60° west longitude. What would be the time at Manaus when it is 12 noon at Greenwich? Answer: Manaus is located to the west of Greenwich. Now, as we move towards the west of prime meridian, the local time decreases by 4 minutes for every longitude. The difference in longitudes between Greenwich and Manaus is 60°. Total difference in time: 60° multiplied by 4 minutes is equal to 240 minutes. Now, 240 minutes divided by 60 minutes, in the bracket 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour, which gives 4 hours. Therefore, when it is 12 noon at Greenwich, the time at Manaus would be 8 a.m., 4 hours behind the Greenwich Mean Time. Next, if it is 10 p.m. on 21st June and prime meridian, write the dates and time at A, B, C in the table. Place, longitudes, date, time. In A, if the longitude is 120 degree east, the date would be 22nd June and the time would be 6 a.m. B, 160 degree west, the day will be 21st June, time 11:20 a.m. C, 60 degree east, the day will be 22nd June and the time 2 a.m. Next, write the situations of place A shown in these diagram in the boxes below them: sunrise, midnight, noon, sunset. First one, midnight. Second one, sunset. Third one, sunrise. And fourth one, noon.